What is up guys, my name is Marco, welcome to this new video. I just want to make a video. It's night outside, it's almost 10 p.m. but I wanted to make this video because I just received these 4 new fragrances that I ordered from fragrancex.com. I opened it, I show you the video that show you how was the unboxing. So there it is guys, this is the package. I'm gonna cover the info, but I'm gonna open it. So these are the fragrances that I ordered. Let's see here if I can open it. It's the first time that I order something here from this website. So with one hand, no knives, just one hand. I mean the fragrances look good. They look authentic, they look good. Okay. Unforgivable by Sean John. It looks authentic. Looks nice. Jaguar Pace. Finally received it. Nautica Voyage. Alright. This looks good too. And the last one is Salvatore Ferragamo F Black. Now let's see how do they smell. Let's unbox these 4 babies. I never smelled these fragrances before. I just blind bought these fragrances. Why? Because I watched videos and I read reviews about these 4 fragrances, and from the cheapest, from the cheapest fragrances on the market, these are very good fragrances. I looked in their website, it's fragrance.com. It's a very nice website. I'm not paid to say that, I just see that they are cheaper than in other places, and the choice is huge. Like, you can choose from so many fragrances. So I found these fragrances. Why? Because in Italy you can't find these fragrances, so I had to find them online. So I was watching that I was seeing that everybody was talking about these fragrances, so why didn't give it a try? So for 100 euros, just 100, I ordered these 4 fragrances. They are almost all 100 ml, and let's see how do they smell. So let's start with the first one. The first one is Nautica Voyage. This is supposed to be like a very nice, fresh, clean, adventurous fragrance. Never smelled before. It's very famous. A lot of people talk about this brand Nautica. Let's see, it should smell like ocean, like the ocean. Okay, the package is cool. Okay, the bottle is cool. It looks authentic, and I pretty much can smell the fragrance from here. It's quite nice. Let's see. Oh, that's cool. All right, let's try it here. Okay, the sprayer goes first at the 3rd spray. That means that it's authentic and it's not already opened. Oh, guys, that's a nice fragrance. That's a really nice fragrance. I didn't expect that. Nice. It costs like 25 euros, $25. Something like that. It's called Nautica. But I mean, this is just this is fresh and clean, but very masculine, very manly. It smells like pretty much like shower gel, pretty much like when you go out of a shower and you just shaved your beard. This is how it does smell, but you're in holiday. This is how it smells. It's amazing. I give it a approved for this one. Nautica Voyage. I just wanted a really fresh fragrance that like in these summer days, just to spray and just go outside. The second one is called Unforgivable by Sean John. This exists and it's pretty common, it's pretty famous in California, in the United States, here in Italy or in Europe either. I never heard about it, never smelled something. that smells like this. Let's see how it smells. I have no ideas at all. I don't have that many places to spray these fragrances. Life without passion is unforgivable. Oh, holy wow. Holy cow, that's cool. Sean John, I don't even know the artist, but I know that this fragrance should be cool. Unforgivable. Okay, this is the fragrance. It's 75 ml. Yeah, the 125. I mean, I have a lot of fragrances, so I order the 100 ml for every single fragrance. I can't smell anything, so let's try it on my body. Do it. Third one. Third one is always the right one, bro. If it's on the third one, it means that it has never been opened before this moment. So it should be authentic, it shouldn't be fake. Okay. It smells pretty much like an American boy. It smells a little bit. Oh wow, that's amazing. Guys, this is so cool. I didn't expect that like these good fragrances. I was expecting like, okay, they're cheapies, but I mean they're not supposed to be that good, but they're pretty much better than I expected. This smells so good. But I cannot understand how does it smells like. It's so unique. It's very unique. I never smelled something like this. I have no idea, bro. I have no idea. It smells like a rich guy, like Sean John, like this kind of rapper, like this kind of American ghetto guy, which is very rich, and he has money right now. He has fame, he has power. It's a bit fresh, fruity, sweet. I don't know. But it's pretty good. It's pretty unique. Approved 100%. I really like it. So let's put it back in the. I hope they're authentic. I really hope they're authentic. But I mean, they look authentic at all. They look 100% authentic. I mean, the box is not the best one, but I mean, for $25, what could you expect? The third one out of 4 is one that I pretty much don't like the fragrances from car brands, but you know, a lot of people talk about this fragrance. I just want to try. I just want a fragrance that it's cheap, that you can like wear whenever you just want to feel fresh, whenever you just want to feel like just out of the shower, which is not really sophisticated fragrance, just something really cool, really special that you can waste without feeling guilty. So I bought this one, which is supposed to smell. They say that this smells like a shower gel. This smells like very synthetic but very masculine. This is the Jaguar fragrance, Jaguar Pace. Let's see it. Let's try it together, guys. Okay. Oh, the bottle is cool. The bottle is so cool. Oh god, and this is huge. I was expecting like something like that, but it's so cool, man. This is like a really masculine bottle with the Jaguar sign. I can smell it from here. I cannot. Not even on the cap. So let's spray it on my other arm. But I'll have not other places to spray the other one. 3, 4. This one on 4. Okay, now I can smell it, and it smells exactly like a shower gel. Exactly like if you go into the shower and you just put yourself in with like if you wash yourself with a masculine shower gel, you know, those synthetic shower gels that has no flavors. That have no flavors. This is the. This is it. This is it. Nothing else to say. powerful, really, really powerful, unexpectedly good. I think that this has a good sillage. Like, I think that if I spray it like on my like 3 sprays on my neck, everybody should smell it. It smells very masculine, very, very masculine. Like, all of these 3 are very masculine fragrances. I like it. Approved. Approved 100%. The third one, the bottle is my favorite at all. Really, really like it. Is it recording? At least? Okay, it's recording. Oh my god. Imagine if I had to repeat all these things. And the last one is Salvatore Ferragamo F Black. Jeremy Fragrance talks about this fragrance every time that he has a top 10 of the cheapest fragrances on the market. And he always puts it at least in the first 3, the top 3. So I had to try it. He says that it smells like a rich guy from the movie The Wolf of Wall Street. This is supposed to be a fresh, clean, and elegant, sophisticated fragrance. It should smell similar to Acqua di Gio, Prada L'Homme, that kind of vibes. Okay, the fragrance is pretty much complicated to put out. This is the fragrance, okay. This is the cap, a little bit unstable. I hope this is original. I don't know, I'll have to see later, but this is the fragrance. Let's see how it smells. It gives no hints. Where should I spray it? I should spray it here. Free. I mean, at least the sprayer is authentic. Is it on the opposite side? No, it isn't. Okay, now I understand why is it unstable. I don't know. I'll check later. Let's see how it smells. Okay. I honestly don't like it that much. Maybe I expected this to be the best one, but in the end it's the worst. I mean, it's not bad, it's a nice fragrance. I hope it's authentic, I hope it's original, because the bottle doesn't give this vibe, but I hope it's authentic. I'll see how much it lasts on my skin. It's pretty much very, very elegant, sophisticated, yes, fresh, but a little bit too peppery for me, a little bit too spicy. It smells a little bit old. It smells a little bit like an old guy, an old man, like wearing something up, wearing something cool for an important event, like a wedding or something. But I mean, it smells like my dad, something like that. That's why I don't like it much. But it's not a bad fragrance. I like it. I hope it's authentic. I'll try it, but it's the only one that I have doubts about. Because you see, the bottle isn't the most stable one. Maybe it's just because of the shipping. I mean, it comes from United States and I live in Italy, in Europe, so it has a very long journey to come here. No, it should be authentic. Ferragamo Parfums SPA, Firenze, Italy, Eau de Toilette. It has also the serial number, so it should be pretty much authentic. Yeah, I hope. I don't know. Approved 50%, but the other ones are really, really nice fragrances. I'm gonna try them all and see. You know, it smells like Dior Parfum, Dior Homme Parfum. Yeah, like this kind of old fragrances, old vibes fragrances, I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. These were the 4 fragrances that I ordered from Fragrance 6. Blind bought them all. Just spent 100 euros so it's pretty much fair. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to